a man who drives a car, ladies come up with very awkward, budgets.
They're staying in a slum and they want somebody.
Actually, one thing that I always tell people that in this whole scenario of dating and union, there is no standard parameter. Some people will say, I'll give it 6 months. Some people will say, I'll give it 2 months.
1 day, 2 hours.
Some people, you just meet up
and you marry.
You marry.
Like Isaac.
Like Isaac.
Yeah, Isaac in the Bible did not date.
Did you? So you are emulating Isaac in the Bible.
But John and Mary, they dated.
Yeah, John and Mary dated.
But apparently John wanted to live
and
Mary
you see what
secretly.
you see what happened to John when Joseph when he was dating Mary. Alikuja bibi akapatikana na mimi.
Kona boy.
Yeah, so
that was initiated by God. We cannot argue about
No, I think it's easier said than done. Suppose now you fiancé, you realize that akona bola kuja kuambia ni ya God. It's so actually Joseph, the Bible says that Joseph purported to to leave Mary secretly.
Hata watu wasijue they were dating. So that's why I'm saying